Introducing the EZ-Latch lock. Simple and effective for 3-plate control. Let's explore the EZ-Latch lock, focusing on its main components: the latch bar, the fixed latch body, and the retainer. Here, observe how the latch body remains fixed, while both the latch bar and retainer move. Now, let's examine the latch lock in detail. Notice how the retainer's position dictates the first stroke, S1. During the initial stroke S1, the retainer and latch bar move together. After S1, the retainer releases the latch bar to complete the final stroke, while the retainer stays stationary. Notice how the cam holds the segments in place within the retainer when the latch bar is fully disengaged. Let's see how the latch lock is installed in a mold base. The retainer is mounted on the A plate. The latch bar is mounted on the B plate. And the latch body is mounted on the fixed top clamp plate. Similarly, another latch lock is mounted on the other side of the mold base to maintain balance and precision. Here's the mold base in action. Initially, both A plate and B plate move together for the designated stroke, S1, stripping the runner from the part. After the first stroke, the B plate continues independently for the final stroke, allowing the parting line to open and eject the part. In this sectional view of the latch lock, observe how the latch lock controls the movement precisely, facilitating an accurate 3-plate control. Let's see how to choose the right EZ-Latch lock for your application. Start by setting the required stroke, S1, as shown. Next, select the body length that fits best on the fixed top clamp plate. Finally, choose the latch bar length that's ideal for mounting on the B plate, as demonstrated here.